Today we are going to discuss concerning the place values and the total values of digit. So before wasting time, let us proceed. What are place value? As definition say, a place value of a digit is the position's name of that digit in a given number. Each digit in a given number has a position, so that position has got a name. So that's why we say place value of a digit. Place value of a digit is the position name of that digit in a given number. So each digit in a given number has a position name starting from right to left, and such names are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, hundreds millions, billions, and etc. So these are the positions name of each digit in a given number, starting from right to left. So here is an example. Consider the example below. We have given a table there. Consider a given number with this table with a given number of 8,653,921. So in this number, the place value of which digit in this number is as shown in the table below, starting from the right part. The number 1 here is place value is ones. Number 2 here is place value is tens. Number 9 here, the place value of number 9 here is hundreds. And the place value of number 3 here is thousands. And the place value of number 10 here is 10,000s. And the place value of number 6 here is 100,000s. And the place value of number 8 is millions. So as you see, this is a number we are given, but this number has got digit. So each digit there has position, and each position has a name starting from the right to the left. So the rightmost number or digit is called ones. The second one is tens. So these are the place value of each digit in this given number, starting from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So if you know this table and you know the place value of which digit, so therefore you will be able to solve or to answer any question relating with the finding or calculating the place value of each digit. So here let us go to example number 1. Example number 1 says that identify the place value of underlying digit in the following number. So you are given a number but with a certain digit underlined. Here in this number, number 4 is underlined. So the question wants you to know that what is the place value of this digit 4. So answer, we are given this number, which is 234,569. So what is the place value of digit 4? So therefore, if we count from the right to left, we will see the number 9 here is in place value of digit ones. Number 6 here in place value of digit tens, and number 5 here is in place value of digit hundreds, place value of hundreds, and the number 4 here is place value is thousands. So therefore, the place value of the underlying digit is thousands. You see the way we have written. We write the place value of which digit in plural form. So we say thousands with s at the end. So if you write 1,000 without s, then you are wrong. So you have to write the place value of a digit in plural form and not singular form. So that is example number 1. Example number 2, what is the place value of the following digit in the bracket? You are given a number, but a certain digit closed in the bracket. So the question wants you to know that, the question wants you to identify that what is the place value of this digit in the bracket from this number. You are given a number, so he told you to identify the place value of this digit in the bracket from this number. So answer, we are given the number, which is 986,000 531. So here we need to know the place value of digit 9, which is in a bracket here. So the digit was placed in a bracket so that you can identify from this number. So from the given number, the place value, so you have to count from right to left until you reach to the digit number 9. So here number 1 is ones, this one is tens, this one is hundreds, this one is thousand, this one is 10,000, and this one is 100,000. So from the number, from the given number, the place value of digit 9 is 100,000. That is example number 2. So it's very simple. Example number 3, identify the place value of digit 0 in the following number. You are given a number, this one, and so you are told to identify the place value of digit 0. This one, what is its place value? So in order to know the place value of digit 0 here in this number, you have to count. You have to identify the place value of each digit starting from the right to the left. So digit 7 here is in the place value of ones, this one is in place value of tens, this one is in place value of hundreds, this one in place value of thousands, this one digit 3 is in place value of 10,000, and the one here is in place value of 100,000, and the 0 is in place value of millions. So the place value of digit 0 is millions. So this is how concerning with the place value of given numbers. Okay, now let us shift to the total value. What total value is? Definition. Total value is the product of the digit and its place value. So if you take digit times its place value, then you will get the total value. That's why first we discussed concerning the place value of each digit. So if you know now how to find the place value of each digit, then you will be able to find the total value of each digit in a given number. So here I say that each digit in a given number has its total value. Each digit in a given number has its total value, which is obtained by multiplying the digit and its place value in figures or amount. Okay, let us see the example here. We are given examples. This example we are given in form of tables. So the table below shows how to calculate the total value of each digit in a given number. We are given the same digit which we were used to find the place value of each digit. So now we need to know the total value of each digit in this given number. So here we have a digit in the left column, and we have a place value in the middle column, and we have a total value in the right column. So now the digits are there starting from the top to the bottom, and also in this digit, each digit in this number has got a place value. So the place value of 1 here is ones, place value of 2 here is tens, place value of 9 here is hundreds, place value of 3 here is thousands, place value of 5 here is 10,000, and place value of 6 is 100,000, and place value of 8 is millions. So this place value here have been written in figures or in amount in order to make it easy for you to understand. So now what is the total value of 1? So now we need to know the total value of this digit 1 here. What is the total value of digit 1? So the total value will be obtained by taking 1 times its place value, which is 1, and then we get 1. So 1, we take the digit times its place value, then we get total value. So total value, as we said earlier, is the product of the digit and its place value. So if you take the digit times its place value, then you will get the total value of that digit. For example, here, what is the place value? What is the total value of digit 2? You take 2 times its place value, which is 2 is in place value of tens, which means 10. So you take 2 times 10, you get 20. So here, what is the total value of digit 9? digit 9 is in place value of 100, so therefore you take 9 times 100, you get 90. So what is total value of digit 3? Digit 3 here is in place value of thousands, so therefore we take 3 times 1000, we get 3000. So what is the total value of digit 5? Digit 5 here is in place value of 10,000, so therefore we take 5 times 10,000, we get 50,000. What is the place value of digit? What is the total value of digit 6? The total value of digit 6 here, 6 is in place value of 100,000, so therefore we take 6 times 1,000, 100,000, we get 600,000. And the last digit is 8. What is the total value of digit 8? So the total value of digit 8 will be obtained by taking digit 8 times its place value, which is 1 million. So therefore we take 8 times 1 million, we get 80 million. 80 million. So this is how to find the total value of each digit in a given number. Let us see some examples below. Yeah, find the total value of underlined digit in the following number. We are given here as a number, but with a certain digit underlined, so we need to find the total value of this underlined digit. The first thing is a solution. So we write solution and then write what we are given. We are given this number, which is this number is 876,213. So in order to calculate the total value of this underlined digit, which is digit 7, so therefore we need to know the place value of digit 7 in this number. So therefore we have to identify the place value of each digit in this number from the right to the left. So digit 3 is in place value of ones, this one is in place value of tens, this 2 is in place value of hundreds, this 6 in place value of thousand, and this 7 is in place value of 10,000. So therefore total value of digit 7 will be is equal to digit times its place value. So therefore the digit is 7, its place value is 10,000. So therefore we take 7 times 10,000, we get 70,000. So therefore the total value of underlying digit is 70,000. That is understood. Okay, question number 5 also. Calculate the total value of digit 4 in the following number. You are given a number there, you are asked to find the total value of digit 4. So as usual, you have to identify the place value of digit 4 and then you have to find its total value. So digit 4 here is in the place value of, this one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. This is millions. So digit 4 is in the place value of millions. So therefore to find the total value of digit 4, so therefore we take digit times its place value, which is 4 times 1 million. Because why we times with 1 million? Because digit 4 is in the place value of millions. So we take 4 times 1 million, we get 4 million. So therefore the total value of underlying digit is 4 million. Is that clear? I think the lesson is clearly understood. So here I've given you some test yourself exercise, some questions that you are going to do it to test yourself if you have understood well the lesson or not. And after finishing doing it, then you will take it to your mathematical teacher at the school where you are studying. Then you will give him or her to mark it for you, and if you get all, then you have understood the lesson. But if you did not get all, then you have to go back to the video and watch it from the beginning up to the end again and again until you understand it. So this is concerning our lesson today. I wish you all the best, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video to other people so that they can learn about calculating place value and the total value